In this video, we're going to discuss expense types. Get to the expense types page, come to Setup, Expense Types. Expense types are used in invoicing and reporting. We have set up some sample expense types that may be common within your company. Other expense types may include GPS units, 4x4s, etc. Let's take a look at setting up an expense type. Each expense is given a category. We have three main categories: equipment, materials, and reimburse. You can add more categories by clicking on these buttons here. To add a new category, simply click on the gear icon and type a new category. Category is now entered into the drop-down. If I'd like to edit a category name, I can simply select that category and choose the Edit option. You can now see that it has been edited. In the Expense Types page, by selecting a category, you will then see corresponding expenses to that category. Throughout the application, we refer to tables like this as grids. Here in this grid, you can see the expense code, name of the expense, rate that would be charged to the client, and the unit of measure. Let's now take a second to add a new expense. Since we added rentals, let's use that category. Expense code can be an easy-to-use reference. For example, rentals will always start with a 4. Of course, you can change this to any formatting you would like. We would then add the name. Next, we would add the rate. And finally, we would choose the unit. In this case, we're going to charge $100 per day for a GPS total station. Lastly, add the expense. You will see the new expense here on the right-hand grid. Throughout the application, you will see icons like this. Clicking on the icon will show options to edit, delete, or even more options throughout the application. In this case, if we wanted to edit, we could simply click Edit and change the information. The Expense Type Setup page makes it easy to organize expenses for invoicing and easy reporting on time cards.